Nexo is a coin that explicitly is presently exchanged at $0.641611 per unit, with the market capitalization of $359, 302, 338. That generally makes it a low-position digital money, which especially is very huge. Computerized resources like Nexo most certainly have currently essentially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for actually retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for fundamentally enormous institutional financial backers, who in a real sense see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly compelling really support against expansion, that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy. So how about we center around the Nexo market, its kind of current standings, as well as the midterm and sort of long-haul cost forecast that really depends on the readings of our truly exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, which sort of is very critical. Right now, the cost of Nexo in every way that really matters remains at $0.641611, and this essentially specific computerized resource explicitly stands firm on the 76th foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which by and large is genuinely huge. For especially your data, the positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its extremely current market capitalization and cost, and in a real sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Likewise, to explicitly get in every way that really matters, better for the most part handle of the market circumstance, and by and large figure out the especially broad course of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance. It's additionally vital to by and large examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a genuinely huge manner. Yesterday, on July 12, the cost of Nexo explicitly remained at $0.618822 at the end of the sort of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.97% contrast when contrasted with the truly current cost 7 days prior. On July 6, the Nexo market in a real sense remained at $0.633163 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a significant manner. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0%, corresponding to its genuinely present standing. A month prior, on June 13, Nexo truly was valued at $0.619298, which truly harmonized with our cost expectation for that essentially specific period. Truly further appearance. How is the outcome? The cost generally moved by 0%, comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on June 13, Nexo especially was evaluated at $0.619298, which truly matched with our cost forecast for that by and large specific period, which in every practical sense is very huge. Contrasted with the truly present place of Nexo, it addresses a 3.60% cost move, which is very huge. At the point when it fundamentally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves genuinely more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly generally speaking prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which basically is very critical. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a critical pointer to by and large be considered prior to going with exchanging choices in an inconspicuous way. It basically is determined by duplicating the sort of absolute number of coins that truly are right now available for use, circling supply, by the genuinely current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by in a real sense, remains at $0.641611, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Considering that recipe, we certainly have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Nexo to be at $359, 302, 338, which legitimizes its place as the 76th coin among those essentially present on the cryptographic money market, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on July 12, the market capitalization of Nexo by and large remained at $346, 540,593. Keep going week. On July 6, the especially aggregate sum of commonly capital committed to Nexo in every practical sense was laid out at $354, 570 when 126. The information from a month prior, enrolled on June 13, generally shows that Nexo generally had a market capitalization of $346. 806,944. As its name recommends, especially greatest stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point in a real sense be mined or printed inside the sort of comparing blockchain network in an especially large manner. When that sum explicitly is gotten, the framework really stops the age of new coins for good, exhibiting that as the outcome. The cost in every practical sense moved by 0%, comparable to its all things considered present standing. A month prior, on June 13, Nexo was estimated at $0.619298, which basically corresponded with our cost expectation for that all things considered specific period. Certainly further appearance how is the outcome. The cost truly moved by 0%, corresponding to its most certainly present standing. A month prior, on June 13, Nexo in a real sense was evaluated at $0.619298, which matched with our cost expectation for that specific period in a significant manner. The greatest stock in a real sense is as a rule in every practical sense, showed in the source code of the basic convention as well as the white paper, which is very critical. The commencement towards the in every way that really matters. Greatest stock typically basically begins with the development of the first beginning block on the blockchain in a for the most part significant manner. In our example, Nexo has an extremely greatest stock of 100,000,000,000 coins, which essentially is genuinely critical. This in every practical sense, specific component of a truly certain coin can truly be considered as a support against expansion, in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stock roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary. Once the especially most extreme stock certainly is reached, and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a kind of more unsurprising and consistent cost appreciation. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and really are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders, especially cool wallets, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The extremely all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in an in every practical sense, significant way. It can generally be contrasted with the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that is public on the financial exchange in a significant manner. The complete stock of Nexo at present in a real sense remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo in a very large manner. As currently made sense of, the circling supply explicitly is the most ordinarily utilized in every way that really matters metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, exhibiting that considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to generally be at $359,302,338, which legitimizes its place as the 76th coin among those present on the digital currency market, which is genuinely critical. It relates